90% of new creators fail within 3 months of starting out their content creation journey. Meanwhile, there are some creators that just started out their content creation journey and they are already seeing success. It's not because those content creators are doing it more better than you are. It's not even because they are picking the right niche or the algorithm. It's because they know something that you do not know. And in this video, I'll be telling you exactly what you need to know to get you as fast as possible from 0 to 100,000 subscribers before the end of this year 2026. So if you're new here, my name is Danto Okore and I'm a content creator with over 600,000 followers across platforms and with my videos hitting tens and millions of views every single month. Now, here are the exact blueprints you need to know in order for you to go from 0 to over 100,000 followers or subscribers across platforms in 2026. First of all, use natural leverage. If you're just starting out and you don't have a camera, you can use your smartphone right now to start creating content. There are a lot of creators that started out little and today they have over millions of subscribers. That's one advantage that you have. First of all, you have to understand how to be more comfortable interacting with just your phone, talking to the camera, and building that skill. Now, the greatest light source that we can get is the light from the sun. That's like one of the underrated lights that we have as content creators. You can literally use this light anytime to make your videos. Now, what you literally need to do with this light, get your phone, put it at the window. Now you can see how clear your video is. Now, a lot of UGC creators, they take advantage of natural light. And one thing you need to understand about content creation these days, platform changes, and as platform changes, the interest of the audience has changed a lot. In 2026, viewers are not just interested in a polished and quality video. Viewers are more interested in when creators share their journey, they share their process, they share their personal thoughts about things. That's what viewers are more interested in. Now, as you already have your phone, using your phone to record a video, now what you need to do is record 50 videos and upload on your social media platform. Now, first of all, you want to understand that this video you are making, you are not aiming to get views. A lot of creators, when they are starting out, they just put out their first video and they just want that video to hit 10K views. You want to make sure that the script is as perfect as possible. You want to make sure that everything goes well. But let me tell you something. Don't focus on getting the best script. You can make 50 videos. Just focus on sharing your personal tips, your life experience, and you talking about something that is related to that thing that you want to talk about on social media. Now, what this does is it helps you in improving your skill of content creation. It helps you improve your skill in storytelling, and it also helps you find your voice as a content creator. If you want to know the exact blueprints that I used to get my videos to over 10 million, 5 million, over 20 million, over 80 million views, then check out this video right here.